Today, I'm going to break down Renogy's flagship PRO S1 LiPo4 battery. This is a high-end solid-state battery built for people who want premium performance, long-lasting reliability, and proven safety features for their off-grid setups, whether that's a van, an RV, tiny home, or a boat. Before we dive into the specs and the performance, let's clear up some confusion about the solid-state label on this battery. Even though the casing says solid state, the PRO S1 is not a full solid state battery. It's what the industry is now referring to as a semi-solid state battery. Allow me to explain how semi-solid state is achieved like we have here in the PRO S1. In a typical LiPo4 cell, most of the inside is liquid electrolyte, which this is a fluid that allows the lithium ions to move between the battery's positive and negative electrodes. This is essential for the battery to work, but it's also a flammable component which can create a safety concern for the battery if it's damaged or overheats. In the PRO S1 semi-solid state cells, the amount of liquid electrolyte is drastically reduced, only about 10% of the total weight of the cell. This lowers the fire risk and makes the battery more stable under stress. The space that is normally filled with liquid electrolyte is instead filled with solid materials, oxides and polymers that would still allow lithium ions to move, but in more controlled and a safer way. This makes the battery safer, more stable, and longer lasting than conventional LiPo4 batteries that use normal liquid electrolyte. If this battery used true solid state cells, there would be no liquid electrolyte at all. At this time, that technology is still very rare and expensive, no matter what you're hearing on the internet. And it's even controversial if they're even available right now. So just note, this is not a solid state battery. This is a semi-solid state battery. And this is everything that's included in the box. So the PRO S1 gives you advantages of solid state technology like higher durability and safety without being experimental or extremely costly. Now, why would someone choose the PRO S1 over standard LiPo4? Here's what makes it stand out for buyers who are willing to invest in premium components, top-notch construction, and proven warranty. Over 6,000 plus cycles, which is theoretically over 16 years of daily use. Double the lifespan of most lithium batteries, meaning fewer replacements. A 7-year warranty provides some additional peace of mind compared to other batteries that typically only warrant their batteries for 1 to 5 years. Semi-solid tech equals higher stability and safety. High strength metal casing, waterproof, dustproof, and corrosion resistant. It's got an advanced BMS, that is a battery management system that is multi-layer protection, slowing heat rise in high temperatures and preventing thermal runaway. This does offer a self-heating option for cold weather. It's got integrated heating pads that allow operation and charging in extreme cold. An important note is the battery itself cannot charge at a negative 20 Celsius. The heating film must rise to the core temperature first. This has a compact design for easy installation. The 120 amp hour PRO S1 is 13.9% smaller and 13% lighter than the standard 120 amp hour LiPo4 battery, making it easier to fit in tight spaces like under the seats. The 240 amp hour PRO S1 is 20.6% smaller and 19% lighter than the typical 240 amp hour LiPo4 battery, perfect for neat cabinet installs. And I'm going to geek out for just a second here because the ohmic internal resistance is rated at 0.35 milliohms. That is minimum voltage drop under a load. And you may be asking, what is ohmic internal resistance? So every battery has some resistance inside of it. When you pull power from a battery, electricity flows through the internal components. Resistance inside the battery causes small voltage drops, heat generation, reduced efficiency under heavy loads. The resistance is measured in milliohms. What does 0.35 milliohm mean? Well, that's a very low internal resistance. Lower the internal resistance, the less voltage sag when large loads are turned on, less heat buildup, better efficiency, and more stable performance under high power demand. In short, lower internal resistance means the battery wastes less energy through heat and it maintains a more stable voltage when large loads kick on. The battery is rated for a 3C discharge. First, I want to talk about what does 3C mean. This is the C rate, and this is a way that describes how fast a battery is being discharged relative to its capacity. So for a 120 amp hour battery, a 1C is 120 amps. A 2C is 240 amps. A 3C is 360 amps. For a 240 amp hour battery, a 1C is 240 amps and a 3C is 720 amps. So when Renogy says that the battery is rated for a 3C peak discharge, that means the battery can safely deliver up to 3 times its capacity in current for short bursts. That's a lot of current. However, just because the battery can do 3C doesn't mean you should run it there consistently. Even with semi-solid state chemistry and low internal resistance, physics still apply. Running a high C repeatedly will shorten the lifespan compared to moderate use. The 120 amp version can safely discharge 1920 watts continuously, while the 240 amp hour version is rated at 3000 plus watts of continuous output. Essentially, this battery is overbuilt for reliability, giving premium buyers confidence that their investment can handle daily use without compromise. With Bluetooth monitoring and the Renogy app, you can track your voltage, your current, your capacity, and temperature in real time from up to 30 meters. Using the CAN bus integration, if you want a wired connection, the battery can connect directly to system monitor, charge controller, an inverter, or a centralized display panel, keeping you fully informed about the battery status and adding to the overall experience. Although the 12-volt architecture is not for everyone, the Pro S1 is for people who value premium components, proven construction, and long-term reliability. If you're a van lifer, an RVer, or own a tiny home, or have an off-grid homestead, or you're a marine adventurer, you may appreciate this battery. If you're looking for a battery that you can trust for years and you're willing to invest a little extra, this is one that you may think about considering. Now that I've talked about the heart of the off-grid power system, the Renogy Pro S1 battery, let's talk about the muscle that turns the 12-volt DC into usable household AC power. The Renogy Rego 12-volt 3000-watt pure sine wave inverter charger. This inverter is an all-in-one AC power and battery charging system with an LCD display and an automatic transfer switch. But note, it doesn't include a solar charge controller, so you'll need to integrate one of those if you're hooking it to solar panels. Pure sine wave output delivers smooth 120 volt power just like your home grid, ideal for sensitive electronics like laptops, TVs, medical equipment, and appliances. AC output is rated at a continuous 3000 watts, which can run most major appliances and some larger tools. Surge power up to 9000 watts, which handles those temporary startup spikes from motors or compressors without tripping the inverter. A built-in battery charger that can adjust from 5 amps to 75 amps and works with many battery types, including the LiPo 4 and what we have here, the Pro S1. And charging happens in 4 stages: bulk, boost, float, and equalization for battery health and longer life. First, it fills the battery fast, then it tops it off carefully, and then keeps the battery full without overcharging, and then occasionally balances the cells. This protects your battery and helps it last for many years. With the automatic transfer switch, you can seamlessly switch from shore power or grid power to battery power with minimum interruption, and that happens in less than 10 milliseconds. And at the LCD panel, this will show you the system status, the alerts, and you can configure the settings for the inverter. The built-in Bluetooth lets you monitor and configure settings via the Renogy DC Home app. When you pair the Renogy Pro S1 semi-solid state battery with the Renogy Rego 12-volt 3000-watt inverter, you've got a complete premium off-grid power solution that is ready to run everything from your everyday essentials to demanding appliances. Investing in components like these isn't just about power today, it's about peace of mind for many years. And if you want to keep learning about DIY solar, inverter systems, battery technology, or portable power stations, check out the video on screen or in the links in the video notes below. Thank you for watching.